Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save notebooks from your research in SciSpace. So what you want to do once you're inside your research, I'm going to go ahead and go to my lecture here where I have a research that I've done. But in your case, in case you want to do a quick research, you can just simple start typing from the home page where it says the fastest research platform ever. You can start to write whatever you want, and then once you do those kind of researches, you will have the results show up. And once those results show up, they are stored under your lecture review section. So here you can find, for example, for me, I have one research here. I'm going to quickly open up that review here or research here so that you can see the content that is there. Now once you open it, you can also click on it to see more information there, and you're scrolling down, you'll be able to see where you have those different research papers coming out based on what you've asked it for. And the more you scroll down, you'll find more information about different things. So here you can see, for example, these are answers from top 20 pages, and it shows all of this information. And if you scroll down, you will see at the bottom where it says write feedback, APA bullet, find topics, and it also says save to notebook. And you can just simply click on save to notebook. And you may be wondering, okay, when I save this to notebook, where does it actually store? Or do I find it? Yes, you also get the information here that you get from the research, but it actually goes in depth into each of these little section here. So you can actually save the information for later use. And this is what it looks like. And you can also edit it as well and do quite a lot to it. You can even download the entire notebook if you so desire as well, format it, all of those good stuff, right? And to do further researches on this one notebook. Once you hit save, the notebook is actually saved under your library, so you can just simply go towards the left hand side and you can easily go ahead and click on my library, and you will find under the folder structure one that says notebooks, and under that notebooks is where that specific notebook is stored. It will have a name of my first notebook, but you can always go ahead and edit it by simple click on the three dots at the bottom and rename it, and you can just basically give it a name that you want. It's really up to you. Whatever content that is also under the notebook, you can always move it as well. Click and move, choose personal, and you can just basically move it on the different folders of your choice. It's really up to you. Move it wherever you want, create new folders, and you'll have those information there. But that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and create a notebook or create notebooks in SciSpace.